In this video, I will show you how you can empty the recycle bin on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, first of all, just go to Settings. Under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Device Care. Under the Device Care settings, just tap on Storage, and at the bottom of this page, you will find the option for Recycle Bin. Now over here, you will find a few categories of the files which you have deleted. As you can see, we have the option for My Files and Gallery. And in the Gallery section, you will find all the photos and videos which you have deleted. Now to empty the bin of the Photos category, just tap on the three dots over here and select Empty. Now just select Delete at the bottom of the screen. Now after you do that, you will empty the bin related to the Photos file. But if you want to empty the bin of the Files category, just tap on Files, then tap on the three dots over here and just select Empty. Tap on Delete, and by doing that, you will empty the recycle bin on your Samsung phone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.